Hi friends, today we'll be solving one very interesting problem. Basically, one of my colleague asked me that if I can solve this problem. So he faced some issues where the requirement was he had lots of PPTs and he wanted to grab all those images inside the PPTs just like what I'm showing you now. This PPT has so many images here. If you see, these are all individual images inside the PPT. So he wanted to do it programmatically to extract images from each of the slides and then store it separately somewhere so that in future we can use those images to generate another new PPT automatically through agentic AI. So that's the goal, to extract images from an existing PPT and to save it somewhere if we can do that. So then I found a very quick easy solution to do that, which I'll be showing you now. So for this use case, this is the PPT I'm using at this point, and I'll be showing you my code, what I have written to achieve this solution. So basically I'm using Apache POI library, and this is the single class I have written in Java which will do that. So let's see what it is doing. So this is the class and this is the main method where I am creating two paths. One is that input path where the PPT is present. One is second one is the output directory where images will be stored, and then I'm calling this method extract images and passing that input part and the output directory, means input file rather and the output directory. Let's come to this method. This is the method. We have this input path, that's the PPT, this is the output directory. Using that PPT I'm creating a file and I am converting that directory path to a image directory, image file as well. Now I'm checking if the PPTs exist or not. If it is not exist, I'm throwing an error and then everything is done here if that PPT hasn't been passed. If the image directory hasn't been passed, I am creating that directory. Next, I am checking that PPT and I am transforming it into file input stream. So now this line has converted that PPT into file input stream, and then I am creating a slideshow out of that PPT. Now I am initiating these two variables, a slide number and an image counter. So this will grow one by one when I will be traverse each slide, and then image count when I'll be extracting each of the image, this number will grow as well. So now for now I am checking each slide. So slideshow.getSlides will return me each slide. So this for loop will iterate until I go through all the slides. For each slide, I am doing another for loop where I am checking shapes on each slide. So how many shapes there? One slide might have 6-7 images, right? So for each slide, I will be checking each of the shape. So and after this for loop, I am checking if the shape is instance of XSLF picture shape. So if so, this is actually this library, right? If you see here, this is that class which is checking if that shape is a picture shape or not. So if it is a picture shape, then I am changing it to XSLF picture shape. So this shape I am transforming it to as a picture shape, and then I am transforming that picture shape to picture data. So picture shape dot get picture data, I'm just transforming it to picture data, and then I'm transforming that picture data dot get data into image bytes. So picture data dot get data is returning me a bytes, image bytes, and this picture data dot get suggest file extension is also giving me what kind of extension, image extension that picture is. So here I'm getting the extension. Here I am formatting the name of the image. So first is slide, then the number, this is the slide number, then image, then D is this image counter, how means one image, second image, third image, and then this is the extension dot extension. So this how, and this is how I am just creating the file. So for each of this for loop, I'm creating each images here, and then I am changing it to a file. So I am calling this new file, passing that image directory and the file name. It will create a file, and then I am creating a file output stream and I'm writing that. So I'm writing that file output stream with that image byte. So this is that data. We have the image data and I'm writing that file. So at this point I have a file saved, and then I am increasing the counter. So this way, how many shape it will get in each slide, it will create a new file like slide 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, image 5, like that. And once this will be done, it will go to the next slide and will do the same thing again. So this is the overall class. It's so simple but it's very effective, and let's test it. So what I'll do, I'll run this class and let me show you first of all. So this is that image I already showed you. This is the image, and I'll show you the output. Output is empty at this point. If you see, there is no image in the output. So I'll keep the output open and I will run the class. So this is that class. I'll run that as a Java application, and let's see what happens. What is happening? Okay, so this is basically a warning for log4j, and if you see, uh, I have generated all these images. So slide 2 has image 1, slide 3 has image 2, all these things has done. And let's check. Okay, so here it is, right? So here I have given actually this path, uh, image pro output. If you see the code, yeah, you see image pro output. So there it has generated those images. Now let's see. So this is the slide 1. There is no image. If you see here, there is no image. Slide 2, here is an image. So slide 2 has this image. So I might have slide 2 image 1 here. So this is the slide 2 image 1. Slide 3, I have this image here in slide 3. So I should have something slide 3 image 2. And then similarly, I should have these are not images, so it is not extracted those. This also doesn't have any image. This is actually the inside that slide template, but this is not an image. So this has image. So this is slide 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 images are there. Let's see if it has extracted. You see slide 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. This image has been extracted from slide 7, and then slide 8 has this 8 images. So I should have them here. If you see slide 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and rest of the images it has successfully extracted and saved it. So this is a short program. I just wanted to show you in case you need this kind of utility. You can use this programming. I probably will paste it in somewhere in the description box, the whole program, so you can means you feel free to use it. And this is very cool utility for extracting images from PowerPoint slides. Thank you so much. Stay with me. Please subscribe my channel and let me know what kind of things you want to see. I do write code every day. So if you need a solution for a problem through code, I can do it. Just let me know in that comment section of my video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day ahead.